Hello friends, today we'll open the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Generation 10. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Now let's start. We begin by removing 10 screws from the bottom plate with a Japanese industrial standard number 1 driver. The first 6 are M2 threads, 12 mm long. These longer screws sit along the sides and front, so keep them separate for reassembly. The last 4 screws are shorter M2 4mm units near the hinges. Mixing screw lengths can warp the chassis, so double check before reinstalling. A thin plastic pick helps release the cover clips, starting at the left edge. Work slowly to avoid bending the aluminum plate. We continue around the hinge area where the clips are tightest. Then return to the front edge to finish the perimeter. Moving to the right side, frees the final latches. A second pry tool makes the process quicker and keeps the action centered for the camera. With all clips loose, the plate lifts cleanly. A quick rotation gives us the best leverage to pull it away. Cover off. Time to disconnect the battery. We pull the battery connector straight out to cut power. Always isolate the battery first. That prevents accidental shorts while you work. The 99.9 watt-hour pack is held by 2 screws. Lenovo marks a third point, but the center lacks a metal threaded insert. This battery supports super rapid charge, about 70% in half an hour. You can check our endurance test in the review and our top 100 battery life ranking on laptopmedia.com. We start by removing the metal cover over the memory and SSDs. Besides acting as a protective shield, including against electromagnetic interference, this cover also serves as the top panel for the small third fan. It's secured to the fan with 4 small screws, which we remove using a Japanese industrial standard 00 screwdriver. Then we have to remove 7 larger screws, which remain attached to the lid after it is removed. The 7 screws on the RAM and SSD cover are numbered. We'll remove them starting with number 1 and reinstall them in reverse order. It's a good idea to tighten them in 2 steps, first lightly, then fully, to avoid putting unnecessary stress on the laptop's chassis. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. The shield also snaps onto 2 posts for extra stability. Those posts sit here and here. They are passing through the outer cover. A gentle lift frees the panel. The auxiliary center fan is now exposed, easy to clean with compressed air. With the shield gone, we have clear access to the upgrade bays. 1G's 0 screw releases the primary SSD. Our unit ships with a 1TB SK Hynix PC 801 PCI Express 4 drive. You can check our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com to see the storage speed results. The link is below the video. A second M.2 slot on the left supports PCI Express 5, ready for next-gen drives. Dual DDR5 6400 SO DIMM slots appear. We pop out the two 16GB sticks. The platform officially accepts up to 64GB, but the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX supports up to 192GB, so you won't have any issues to max it out. Reassembly begins. And that's a bird's eye view of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Generation 10. Powerful hardware with refreshingly straightforward serviceability. Don't forget to tighten the numbered screws from 7 back to 1 for even pressure. And a little bonus clip because Lenovo has done a great job putting as much RGB as possible into this laptop. For benchmarks, thermals, and display tests, read the full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next teardown.